Welcome to this tutorial on using the New Jersey State Digital Publications Library. This is your source for current and historic state documents. This is a free resource, so you do not need an active library card to use it or download items. To find the Digital Publications Library, mouse over the Research Library tab, then Electronic Resources, then New Jersey State Publications Digital Library. An alternate link can be found below the library's Catalog, Searches, and Tools box on the right-hand side of the page. From the Digital Collections homepage, select the New Jersey State Publications Digital Library. The Digital Publications Library is organized into collections by author. Agency and division collections can be found within their parent department. For example, the Division of Fish and Wildlife Collection can be found within the Department of Environmental Protection. You can also search for collections using the search box, conveniently located in the upper right corner of the page. I am interested in the publication New Jersey Outdoors. When I search for this, I can see that not only does the publication come up, but also other items related to my search terms. Documents within the digital library are full text searchable. You can search for keywords across the entire repository or within a specific collection. For this example, I am looking for references to horseshoe crabs within the New Jersey Outdoors publication. Click on the blue title link. On the next page, you can access the document by clicking either the file name or the file image. Once the document loads, you can download it, print it, or search within the document by pressing Ctrl F. If you have questions or need help using the State Publications Digital Library, please contact the reference desk by phone or email. Thanks for watching.